boleh. Good morning everyone. Happy
Good
Teachers
morning.
Day.
Happy Teachers Day to you too.
Sausage goreng. Telur banyak. So ini biskut local Serbia. So we need to eat this today. Guys, so hari ni I nak masak scrambled egg special.
Ni.
Alright, so I will thank you to Miss Karmalia and Lily belikan. Sorry lah guys, tempat ni sempit jadi I kena letak you all ke atas, tengok dari atas. Telur dah masak tenang. Panaskan. Tak jangan. Dah basuh telur ya. Mother suruh
you have
basuh.
to wash your telur. Mana?
Tengok I rasa mesti ada whisk dia. Tak mesti.
Tak ada. Tak ada.
Jadi kita kena ada garam, mother. Tak boleh susah.
Muat tak pan ni?
Muat. So telur ni tadi I dah campurkan garam sikit dengan scrambled egg.
Hari ni dibantu kita masak. Semalam kita bantu. So sambil kita masak, kita kena makan. No? Very nice. The texture dia pun good.
Nah,
Kau masak apa?
scrambled egg. Hari ni I masak scrambled egg. Meletup.
Aku bahan-bahan untuk kau masukkan untuk buat masak salad. Aku pernah sebab kau lupa.
Apa lupa?
Aku yang ingatkan. Kau lupa stamp. Jadi
Tapi
kau selalu lupa stamp.
kau selalu di belakang aku Mira kalau menari.
Konsep Orang yang depan akan lupa. Jadi orang yang belakang yang akan mengingatkan. Dia kata, okay, kanan. Dia macam tu. Kalau depan bercakap, tak logik.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barik lana fi ma
500 orang guys tengok kita orang malam ni. Satu dunia masalahnya.
Apa-apa pun makan dulu.
Jangan lupa semalam kita ni dah.
Dia punya bau dia pelik tapi bila makan okey.
Bau dia macam mana?
Tolong dengar arahan cikgu.
Kat sini majones. Kalau letak Malaysia, mayonnaise. Betul tak?
Macam muda je.
Siapa?
Kan?
Serius lah.
Itulah semalam kau takut-takut kat situ orang. So Yunus cakap
Serius lah. Yang diam silent sekejap tu. Lepas ni takut. Dia takut. Dia tu cerita dengan cikgu.
Lepas tu dia masuk. Semalam kan saya masuk. Lepas tu saya macam saya cakap dengan dia, yang kau buka lampu ni kenapa lagi? Lepas tu dia makin takut. Tutup lah, tutup.
Allah.
Manja kali.
Cuma salah Yunus.
Masa saya turun bawah seorang tu, saya tak cerita.
Ada lagi.
Ada, tapi saya teruskan je kehidupan.
Sebab tu.
Saya sempat mandi dah ni.
Sebab tu
Padahal korang kat atas kan
Ada.
ni.
Tak mat.
cerita dengan dia selalu yang akan nampak benda ni Cikgu Bai, Cikgu Munir.
Faham.
Saya jarang. Saya juga saya.
One bite.
Saya dah jumpa dia masa dia diploma.
Yelah.
Cikgu saya tak. Ngantuk lah cikgu.
Dengan hasut.
Naik.
Semua. Cuma cakap mata dengan budak mata. Tapi rasa tak semua kot.
Cikgu takut.
Cikgu tak nak.
Betul.
Sekarang ni bila kita buat macam tu kan, bila saya rosak cepat kan, makan pisang tak ada nak buat.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Very good.
Ni, Putri, sini. Yeah. Introduce yourself. Your name.
Okay, Boyla.
Boyana, my wife in this production.
Yes.
Ini adalah hari ketiga kami berada di Belgrade, Serbia. Sekarang ni kita orang berada di tempat kita orang show lah, teater apa tak? Teater Belgrade. Okay. Kapasiti untuk benda ni dia lebih 500 lah seat. Kita orang banyak
Kita orang akan mulakan dengan ayak-ayak.
item plastik lah.
Item plastik ayak-ayak, and then kita orang akan buat, boys akan buat silat. Kemudian girls akan buat kunang mabuk. Kemudian kita orang akan buat terinai mengadap boys saja, and then girls akan masuk untuk terinai selong.
Dia tak. Aja lupa. Nak manis ala amboi.
Kita ada artis daripada Belgrade ya, yang akan menyanyikan lagu Lemah Manis.
Ada?
Dia
Dia
asyik.
nanti kita last ending tu crab je.
Dancer ready? Dancer ready? Dancer ready?
Say hi to my vlog. Are you guys excited? Yeah, we are very excited to perform with you guys. This is the boss, the main boss, the main lady. And you are our mother here to make sure
She's our mother.
to make sure everyone perform well. Kata gala.
Tak, masa ending pose tu nak sama pose ke lain-lain?
Diana, like this, Diana. Never mind, you don't need to bend your leg, just cross the hand. Diana, close your hand together. Lepas tu keluar macam mana? Hi Lily.
Hai, kita tak pakai makeup lagi.
Tak pakai makeup pun dah lawa.
Janganlah, tak mau.
So you
Okay,
tak sabar nak habis ke tak sedih?
Tak sabar nak habis sebenarnya dia.
Tapi budak ni cakap dia orang sedih lah.
Oh no. Okay, tinggal lama sikit. Kat sini.
Tak, next time. Next time kita datang
Next
lagi.
time kita tak datang lagi. Okay. Hantar jaket.
Hantar jaket.
Hantar jaket, yes. Yes.
This is my bridesmaid. What are we doing right now? Kak apa?
Now,
Sekarang apa?
sekarang kita orang tengah show.
Kita tak buat bulatan pun kan?
Ya. Dah ikut macam diorang juga dah.
Panggil nanti kita buat bulatan. Cakap lah kita nak buat apa ni?
Kita orang nak show.
Kita nak show dah.
Kita tengah tunggu turn.
Ya.
Dan kita orang mungkin pukul 8. Sekarang pukul 7.
Oh, actually I boleh quick change kat sini. Boleh tak saya quick change kat sini? Jom ambil barang saya.
Weh, jangan senyum je.
Keluarga Malaysia. Let's go. I need to bring my clothes. Begini. Alah, I main sepah je macam tu. We bring that. Saya bawa wallet dengan ni je. Ayo kita. Jom. Haikal. Ikulah.
And of course, my biggest fan is supposed to be Ivana. If today's event would not have been possible without Ivana's assistance and support and courage. I know it can be very challenging working with Ivana, and
Nanti nanti ada
Truly
chance
from
ke saya
our
nak
side as
bagi
well, we also wish to
program
take
ni?
this opportunity to express our deepest apologies for any, how to say, any flaws from our side. We
Aku
hope
ni
you guys
nanti
forgive me,
penyerahan,
and we from the embassy will
I
continue
pass to
to do
you,
so
you
to
pass
support
to
Cik
Puan
Wasi
Kamila.
in any way that
Kita
we
punya.
can. And then of
And then
course
satu
to
lagi ni
Aswara,
untuk
the Embassy of Malaysia wishes to express our deepest appreciation to you. No words can actually, how to say, dancing alongside with our cultural dance troupe. This is something that we cannot really imagine actually. I mean, since I would have to say since my arrival here, this will be like my biggest achievement ever since I arrived in Belgrade. So with that, again, I would like to express deepest appreciation to everyone who came tonight and to all, for all your contributions for all the years, and we are forever thankful for that. Thank you.
Thank you. The long-standing diplomatic relations between Malaysia and the Republic of Serbia, the Embassy of Malaysia is pleased to announce a special collaboration with the Stamp Museum of Serbia. This partnership will see the issuance of commemorative stamp symbolizing the friendship and enduring ties between our two countries. To mark this meaningful initiative, we would like now to invite again Mrs. Karmalia Buriati BTCM in charge of the affairs of the Embassy of Malaysia, Mr. Victor Lazic, the President of the Serbia-Malaysia Friendship Club, and Mrs. Mirjana Babic from the Stamp Museum of Serbia.
Aswara first, I would like to invite Ms. Notsafini binti Jafar, Mr. Yunus bin Aliar, Sufidni bin Gadar, Mr. Muhammad Nur Danish, Ms. Chen M. Jean, Ms. Joy K. Jean, Ms. Claudia Michelle. The best trainee 2024 in men's category is Mr. Vladimir Georgievich. The best trainee 2024 in women's category is Una Bialakic. And the best feature dancer 2024 is Sajala Piyak.
Dr. Nosafini Binti Jafar, Dean of Dance Faculty Aswara, to present the souvenir to Mrs. Karmalia Buriati Binti Chambi, charge of the affairs of the Embassy of Malaysia.
Ni vlog ah?
Ini dari Keningau. Awas.
Bukan.
Seperti biasa.
Okay, kami semana. Okay.
Kami Sumanak Sabah mewakili daerah Keningau ingin mengucapkan Kotobian Tadau Dagazo dan Ta'amata. Kami Sumanak Sabah mewakili daerah Keningau.
Say something to me.
I love you.
Yes, say something to me, to my vlog.
Hello.
What do you want to say to my vlog?
I don't know.
Anything. I love you too. Nak cakap apa?
Orang KL memang ada
Swear. Sure. I'm gonna miss you.
Oh.
Take care. Thank you so much. I hope we can see you next time, maybe, but I'm not sure. Can you please say something to my vlog? Anything?
Of course. Thank you for everything.
Yeah.
Thanks to Aswara for coming. And thanks to you teach them all these beautiful new dances. This was first appearance ever on the stage of the dances that you taught them. So
Yeah.
I think it was successful.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
We are so proud we have you in our crew.
Me too. This is the best experience ever for my student and me myself. You guys are very welcoming. So
We are all
thank you so
very
much.
proud.
I'm very happy to be part of this. Maybe next time.
Hey, now
to Malaysia.
you are the part of the family. You need to come frequently. No maybe.
Hopefully.
Okay?
I hope so. Okay, thank you, Bana. Bye. Alright, next.
Lepas ni kita orang mesti rindu
Cik Yunus dengan geng-geng Aswara dekat sini.
Alhamdulillah.
Menangislah kita orang bila korang balik.
Allah.
Salah silap, terkasar bahasa, terkurang, teraniaya. Mana tahu kan.
Really sorry.
Terbuli, tergelakkan.
Tak ada.
Banyak.
Ya, Nobel.
I really love to dance Malaysian dance, and I really love hands move. Love it.
Okay. Jom kemas baju, lepas tu balik.
Okay, let's go.